Welcome to Mix It Up Monday, where every other Monday I mix up colors for a new canvas in my upcoming series, Overtone. I start working on the canvas during Tune In Tuesday, and I complete the canvas during Finish It Friday. I'll share a link in the description box below of some of the previous videos that I've done. If you'd like to follow me on this journey, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so that way you'll be notified of when I upload my next video. As I've mentioned in previous videos, colors help us reveal imbalances and balances, and depending on what you have, depends on if you need the complementary or the primary color. Today we're mixing the color blue. Blue is a primary color, so you can't mix this color. It's a natural mineral, but I am going to mix a few shades here. Blue is associated with the casual body, the throat chakra, and the complementary color on a normal spectrum would be orange. However, when it comes to healing with color, we use coral or pink, and sometimes just a softer baby blue. The therapeutic message that the color blue helps us be guided with is truth, as in I am, central access, which is the global truth, and the divine masculine. Baby blue also can be associated with lightness of being. The color I'm mixing here is cyan. I'm using my primary blue, white, and a hint of green to make it. Cyan builds your confidence. Cyan is here to strengthen your confidence and your belief in yourself. It helps bring clarity when you need to make a choice, and it helps release stress to attain peace and relaxation. It can be very helpful in fine-tuning your communication abilities. Here I'm mixing the color Azure, which helps protect yourself. You take a little bit of the primary blue with white and a hint of red, and you'll later see that I'll add a few more drops of a deeper blue and a little bit more red just to make sure that I had around the right tone that I wanted of this. Azure purifies your aura and strengthens your connection to the divine. It helps lead you to discovery of your truth and empowering you to make an important life choice. So if you're coming to a place in your life where you need to make a few choices and you haven't quite decided, maybe taking some time outside and looking up at the sky, which is very close to this color, and just taking a few breaths in and allowing that space of silence so that way the messages can come to you and help you make a clear choice. Here I'm mixing a nice deep blue. I have a nice primary blue there, but I kind of deepened it with a little bit of a darker blue, which initially has black in it, and then I also added black to it as well. Black is a very protective color, and I can explain that later in this series, but for now, let's talk about blue. This blue activates your healing power, and doing that, blue can activate and increase your vitality. It has a magic way of calming the effect of people when they feel nervous, manic, overexcited. You can surround yourself with this color blue, or you can even take the time to envision it if you're in a situation where you feel one of those ways and just kind of see this blue sword coming to you and helping chop away any of those nervous feelings or anxious feelings or overwhelming feelings, and allowing this nice calming breath to come through so that way you can ground yourself and that your throat opens up and that you feel able to communicate and express yourself exactly how you would want to. And don't forget, if you're already feeling a little blue or a little calm and you kind of need a little pep, that's when you invite the coral into your life, or you invite a nice pink tone. Here I'm showing you where I would be using the tuning forks on your spine during a sound and color therapy session. It would be your upper back, closest to the nape of your neck, and I would use a C or an A or a G, and depending on how the energy is reading, the vibration is reading from the fork would determine if I would face it towards your spine or if I would lay the base of the fork next to your vertebrae in that region of your spine. You'll see me in Tune In Tuesday and finish it up Friday. I'll actually use the tuning forks on my canvas. The vibration creates little designs depending on the tuning fork, depends on how the design is created. It can be really large or small. It just depends on the note. Every canvas that I create during this series, I create a color study, and I'll be giving a color study away on my Instagram channel, and I announce it during Finish Up Friday. So if you don't already follow me there, go check me out and follow the stories to enter yourself into the giveaway. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments that you'd like to share about the color blue and maybe how it already affects you in your day-to-day life, or if you learned something new about the color blue today that you didn't know, comment below. I'd love to share some feedback with each other. Don't forget to consider subscribing to my channel so that way you can follow me on this journey. Tomorrow I start this blue canvas during Tune In Tuesday, so you can ring the bell to get the notification for when I upload that video. See ya!